My name is Dr. Kwa. I have special interest and very passionate in endodontic treatment since the year 2012. Understanding that learning endodontics can be particularly rigorous due to the complexity and the precision required. We aim to provide the necessary resource and guidance to help fellow dentists overcome these challenges. We do collaborate with experienced endodontists from around the world to organize specialized courses, hands-on training in advanced techniques and comprehensive knowledge. This is to enhance their skills and confidence in endodontics to ensure that no dentist gives up during their journey to mastering endodontics. I shall see you soon.